I can feel the wipers below me.
I can also. What's up? Why are you filming 16?
I filmed for 16 minutes,
You're not supposed to.
which I'm not supposed to.
Yeah, you're not.
I'm actually filming for 16 minutes. Yeah, that's kind of long.
Double cam.
Yeah. And this is a new
What
front-
is what is wrong with that bastard?
82.
Bang, bang, bang.
I think it's the one going to pop.
Yeah.
What just behind it?
It's going to pop, man.
It's gonna pop, man. Yeah.
Wait,
Or is it just going one round and around? No, I think it just. No,
It's
it was parked there. He's going one round to
To
fetch
get
the
on-
passenger.
to get on service again.
Yeah. Just turn on it.
I hate rain. Do you hate rain?
What?
Actually, I love rain.
You love my rain edition.
Yes, I love rain editions.
Yeah. So it's always gonna be new rain edition, if possible. Oh yeah, that's
No.
a truck there. Why does it always have to be a rain edition every time I come with you?
No, it's not.
Nah, yeah, for one day.
True. See, the last time I was sitting on the bus, I filmed a taxi going right into that traffic light.
Bumping right into the traffic light.
No, it missed the traffic light, but went inside the yellow thing there.
What yellow thing?
That yellow thing, that bubbly thing there.
Oh, that
Yeah.
line, right?
Yeah, it went right into there.
Yeah, it's a warning to say that you're nearing the curb. Yeah, that's the curb.
They hate the curb, right?
Yeah, they hate crashing into curb.
And they also hate curbs.
Then you should be walking on the road already if you hate curbs, because curbs are pedestrian walking. So just help us stabilize.
Wait, what is wrong with the traffic light today?
Your cam's glitching.
No, the green light.
Nothing.
No, look at it. There's a can like thing with a fan.
No, that's the protection system to help drivers not get blinded by the green light.
What? Sure, man.
Yep.
That's the reason why I wonder there's the same thing right near my house at the Central.
The fan duct thing.
Yeah, the fan duct thing. Quack,
Why didn't you even ask your mother?
quack, 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 quack.
I've been recording for near 20 minutes.
I've been recording for near
Wait,
4.
it's flashing. It looks like it's flashing. It looks like yours is flashing, but mine's not.
Because yours is not in the clear one. Your camera is blurry.
Yes, my cam's blurry.
Yeah, do something.
But certain.
Try to lower the brightness. Oh yeah, it works. Wait, now yours is also flashing.
But if I turn the light out, it doesn't flash anymore.
Wait, let's see. I want to see. I
Yeah.
want to see. I want to
Mine's
see.
flashing.
Oh, it doesn't. It doesn't anymore. But it feels like being a star out there.
Yeah, I'm just turning back to the. Oh, look, the green light's also flashing.
Mine's not.
Mine is flashing a little bit.
But then every time I film the lift, it does flash.
Forget about it.
Look at the right side of my screen. Look at the right side of my screen.
Look at the front side of my screen.
Wow.
Right behind the car. And look as that car is trying to turn. Look the moment of my cam. It looks like it has two lights turned on, and it actually does. I don't know why your cam is real. Now look on the right side of the camera, it's way too bright, like it's glitching already.
Look at my side. Look at the near right side of my camera. Look
It
at
looks so glitchy. No, on the front side.
Wait, look at the tree. Look at the tree.
And look at the traffic light.
Wait, look at the people.
Look at the brake lights. Look at the brake lights of the car. Oh yeah. By the way, look at the traffic light. It's kind of swirly. Look at the people. It's hurting. It's actually hurting my eyes though.
Why?
Look at the traffic light. It's like a fiery ball of death.
Wait, fiery?
Yeah.
Do you know who's the friends with the fiery?
You.
The leafy.
Yeah.
Yeah, the leaves are friends with fire.
Oh look. The blink signal. The bar 83. Look at the blink signal of this car. Look at that building. Look at that building. and look in front of my car. Water. There.
When you go home, just tell your mom that the previous bus broke down.
No, just tell that the previous bus ran away. Because breakdowns are very rare.
So it did break down. Then, hey look at that thing! And I remember there's a spider around here anyways.
Oh. Okay.
I remember there's a spider around here.
I guess I earlier said the reasoning it was due to the rain. The bus was very slow. The bus took very long time home. Oh yeah, he's gonna definitely talk with me at home.
Just in the previous bus missed the interchange and had to go, and the bus drivers go and escape to the Yishun interchange.
Wrong road.
Is that
Or should I say the 883 when it came, like the service literally changed to 169 and it got on the 169 route.
yeah?
But I didn't board it because I knew it was 169. And then I was stopped like at the 883 and I was like so confused. Oh look, the water's actually coming down
Yeah, just tell your mother that.
because of rain. Oh yeah, the rain stopped. Probably
I remember that once the A2 went the wrong way and had to go the A3 route, like where we are in now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, A2 went like that.
Did I say 82 went the wrong route? No, because I would be already home now. No, it went this way and then all the way to there, right?
Yeah, it went there. You boarded that.
And then later there, it gone there. And then later there, it turned right?
Yeah. Hey, look at my screen.
It's flickering. Give that to me. Give that to me.
No.
Eyes. Yeah, yours is twitching now. Mine is even worse.
What?
Mine is even worse, yeah.
But wait, is it sunsetting now?
No. It's
But
not.
it does look like
It seems like, but it's only 3:17.
What the heck?
Not sunset, bruh.
We.
Yeah.
Hey, look.
Bang.
Remember that time I filmed my A3 without you then?
What?
I filmed my A3 without you and you look and it crashed into that thing there.
What?
Crashed into that thing.
What? The lamppost?
Yeah, the lamppost.
This one?
Unfortunately, I didn't have my iPad filming. I had my handphone filming instead.
So, show me the view. You have your
Shit,
own.
I don't.
You have your own. You have your own phone, right?
Yes, but unfortunately, it's a pink cover.
What?
It's a pink cover chosen by my mother.
Whatever. Blah blah blah.
Oh, I found a charging USB.
Right here.
Yeah, I found one.
Yeah. Bring your charger.
Shit,
Good.
It is.
What?
Yeah, I know. Wait, let's see. USB charging available under your seats. More like
Hey, it's more like under your seats. It's like between your seats.
between under your seats.
Between your seats and on the suspension of the chairs. Last time I read that and I was like, hey, where's the charger?
And you didn't even know.
Hey,
that
can we
you-
go to the lower deck now?
Yes, we can.
Because I'm stopping at the next stop already.
The
Yeah, here I come.
Ow! Oh! Go! You can't sit on the stairs.
Yeah, I'm sure you can't. There, okay, yeah, we're going there. Yeah, near the back door, right?
Yeah. Wait! What?
That's not fair. I'll just press this. To entertain my viewers.
That doesn't entertain the food. That doesn't entertain some people.
Hey, can anyone tell me why this isn't
Working?
yet?
Is this our powder?
Nope.
Ah, come on! When you're driving, when the bus driver is driving, that isn't working.
I mean when you use the stop pen. Oh, now we are there. Whoa! Yes. I just refuel my car. Okay, fine. Okay, bye. I'll say goodbye.
See you next Monday.
Okay. By the way, we'll be next Monday, bro. Okay, let's go.
Bye. Bye. I dare you to touch the bus window.